Hello. Moliūgų sezonas prasidėjo, gaminsime moliūgų pyragą.
Hello and welcome. Begin by peeling the pumpkin and taking out all the parts you're not planning to eat. Cut half a kilo or 1.1 pounds of pumpkin in cubes and put them into the baking tray. Put them into the preheated oven at 200°C or 390°F for about 30 minutes or until they soften. Crack 4 eggs into the bowl. Add 1.5 to 2 cups of sugar and mix everything well. Crush the pumpkin and leave it to cool off. Sieve 3.5 cups of flour. This adds some air to the flour. A teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of cake spice mix, which consists of nutmeg, clove, cardamom, allspice, cinnamon, and ginger. It needs more cinnamon, so we're adding a half teaspoon of it. 3 teaspoons of baking powder, mix everything. A half cup of brown sugar, a cup of oil. Pour the pumpkin in. Finally, mix 2 bowls together until you achieve uniform batter. Rub the tray with butter, then add flour so the cake wouldn't stick to the surface of the baking tray. Add the pumpkin cake to the preheated oven at 180°C or 360°F for about 1 hour 20 minutes or so. You can check if the cake is ready by poking it with a toothpick. If the toothpick is clean, it means the cake is ready. If the toothpick is not clean, it means it needs more time in the oven. So,
Koks gražuolis, ane? Tikras moliūginis, labai skanu.
Definitely worth trying. Seriously guys, thank you for watching. It will help even more if you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and consider pressing the bell button to see our videos first. And or use one of the links in the description below to support us. Until next time, goodbye. Cheers.
Ačiū, kad stebite mano laidą ir norėčiau perduoti visiems žiūrovam linkėjimus.
Nemėtik, nu palauk, aš to į tave atsuksiu.
Hello. Šiandieną mes gamysime pumpkin
Cake.
Pumpkin cake.
Nu ir gerai, dar kartą pamėginkim.